हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई वेलकम यू टू अ चैनल अफेयर्स 247x। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं जो 14 जुलाई से लेके 21 जुलाई तक के जितने इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं जो जिस टाइप लेवल के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं आपके एग्जामिनेशंस में, वही उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मैंने यहाँ पे लिस्टेड किए हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए देखते हैं एंड विल मूव फॉरवर्ड। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who has been awarded the Commonwealth Point of Light Award recently? Your answer is Syed Usman Azhar. So Syed Usman Azhar has been awarded the Commonwealth Point of Light Award. Now moving to question number 2, who has recently won the Junior Championship of Wimbledon? Your correct answer is Samir Banerjee. Question number 3, in which city India's first private LNG facility plant has been inaugurated recently? Answer is Nagpur. Question number 4, which species will be insured by the National Insurance Company Limited? Answer is Himalayan yak. Question number 5, recently which country's all-rounder Mahmudullah has announced his retirement from Test cricket? So Bangladesh is the correct answer. Question number 6, which Indian has recently won the gold award in the Silamban competition in Singapore? It is Ganesh Sandhirakshan. And question number 7, who has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Ethiopia recently? Your correct answer is Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed has been re-elected as Prime Minister of Ethiopia. And question number 8, who has won the Euro Cup 2020 all title recently? Your correct answer is Italy. Recently, who has been appointed as Indian Ambassador to Poland? हाल ही में किसे Indian Ambassador to Poland बनाया गया है? Answer is Nagma Malik. Question number 10, who has recently won the Euro 2020 Golden Boot Award? हाल ही में किसने यूरो 2020 का गोल्डन बूट अवार्ड का खिताब जीता है? एंड आंसर इज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. Question number 11, which state recently launched the Chief Minister of COVID-19 Widow Assurance Assistance Scheme? So किस स्टेट ने हाल ही में चीफ मिनिस्टर कोविड-19 विडो असिस्टेंस स्कीम का उद्घाटन किया है या लॉन्च किया है? आंसर इज आसाम. Question number 12, recently who has been honored with BSK Literacy Award? Your answer is N. Pillai. Question number 13, who has been declared the ICC Women's Player of the Month for the month of June? Answer is Sophie Esselstyn. Question number 14, Khelo India Youth Games will now be organized in 2022. Where will it be? So खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स जो कि ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है 2022 में, ये होना है पंचकुला में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, recently who has been declared as the ICC Player of the Month for the month of June? So ICC Player of the Month जून मंथ में डेवॉन कॉनवे को दिया गया है खिताब. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, इंडियन नेवी हैज रिसीव्ड द 10th एंटी सबमरीन वॉरफेयर एयरक्राफ्ट जिसका नाम है P-8L और वो किस कंट्री से है? आंसर इज अमेरिका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, विच कंट्री विल होस्ट द 2026 BWF वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप? सो इंडिया वो कंट्री है जो कि 2026 का BWF वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप कंडक्ट करने वाली है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, recently which state government has announced 6 crore to the Olympic gold medalist? Your correct answer is उत्तर प्रदेश. सो उत्तर प्रदेश वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है जिसने अभी हाल ही में अनाउंस किया है कि जो भी ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट लेके आएगा उसे 6 करोड़ का अनाउंस ऑफर दिया जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, who has been appointed as a brand ambassador by Vogue Eyewear recently? Answer is Taapsee Pannu. Who has become the first player to score 14,000 runs in T20 recently? Your correct answer is Chris Gayle. Question number 21, recently where will India's largest solar park be set up by NTPC Limited? Your correct answer is Gujarat. Question number 22. Where will the country's first green hydrogen mobility project be set up? Your answer is Ladakh. Question number 23rd. Who has become the first managing director of National Asset Reconstruction Company recently? Your correct answer is Padma Kumar Madhav Nair. Question number 24. Recently, who has become the first Indian gymnastic judge in the Olympics? Correct answer is Deepak Kabra. Question number 25th. In which country has External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar unveiled the statue of M.K. Gandhi? Georgia is the correct answer. And please note the answer because this question is a very important question, and this will be asked in your examinations because regarding MK Gandhi and plus the statue unreveal, this incident has happened. So note कर लीजिएगा. Question number 26th. Recently, which state government had decided to give 50% reservation to local students? Your answer is Telangana. Question number 27th. Recently, who has written the book titled The Great Big Lion? Correct answer is Chris Knight. Question number 28th. Where has the country's first grain ATM started recently? Your answer is Gurugram. Question number 29. By what name has the Tokyo Olympics cheer song been launched recently? Your answer is Hindustani Way. Question number 30. Recently, which has become the first Gulf country to open an embassy in Israel? Your correct answer is UAE. Question number 31st. Recently, India has launched Bheem UPI in which country? Answer is Bhutan. Question number 32. Recently, which state has announced to give jobs to the differently abled representing India in international events? Correct answer is Gujarat. Question number 33. Recently, Narendra Modi has inaugurated Rudraksh Convention Center in which city? So correct answer is Varanasi. Question number 34th. Recently, which state's Kachchar district has won the Scotch Award? Your answer is Assam. Question number 35th. Recently, how many member working group has been constituted by BCCI for domestic cricket? Your answer is 7. Next question. Presently thought the book Urdu Poets and Writer Gems of Deccan. So J.S. Livitkar. Next question. Recently, who has launched the COVID vaccine Sung Safe Forest? Done and Udyam campaign. Answer is Arjun Munda. Question number 38. Recently, in which state assembly Cattle Protection Bill 2021 has been passed? Your answer is Assam. Question 39. Recently, in which country the world's largest solar farm has been unveiled? Answer is Singapore. Which country has recently banned the import of products from China's Xinjiang? Answer is America. Recently, who got 10 years UAE Golden Visa? Answer is Sania Mirza. Which country had recently approved the emergency use of Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine? Answer is Vietnam. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has started the bike taxi scheme? Answer is Karnataka. Recently, who has been elected as the leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha? Answer is Piyush Goyal. Recently, Vietnam has appointed its first honorary consul general to India in which state? Karnataka. So these are your questions, and remaining questions I'll provide you in the PDF. Please join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. There you will get the PDF, this complete PDF. Okay, and you will got this all the important news and current affairs. So stay tuned, stay focused. We'll meet soon. Till that, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss the bell icon. Never miss the video. So yes, thank you. We'll meet soon. Thank you.